Hello students, this is Bhumika back, and today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, KTurtle commands. We have already learned the basics of KTurtle, how to draw in KTurtle in our previous chapter, in chapter number 3, right? Today we are going to learn few of the KTurtle commands, and first command is going to be the forward command. Now what actually is a forward command? We can see when we open this KTurtle screen, the turtle is at the center of the screen. Now what I want is, I want this turtle to move forward direction, move in the forward direction. आगे चलाना है इस turtle को. What I will do? And I want that this turtle moves 75 steps forward. Then there is a command called FW, then 1 space and 75. If I will type over here and then I will run, then this turtle will move 75 steps forward in a forward direction. This turtle will move in the direction of the head. Okay, in this thing, let us do it practically. Now see, I will type over here forward means FW, or forward totally also you can type. I will type here FW, I will leave 1 space and 75 and then run from over here, run, and then click on that one. If I am clicking, then this KTurtle has moved 75 steps in a forward direction. If I want to change this one, then also I can change it. If I want this KTurtle to move 100 steps forward, then in place of 75 I will click on FW space 100, that is 100. It is to be noted that only 1 space you have to leave in between, not more than 1 space, otherwise an error message will come. Okay, and then run, press on the run button, and this one turtle moves to 100 steps in a forward direction. I want to bring this turtle to the initial position. Then I can use the command reset, R-E-S-E-T, reset, and then run. Then this KTurtle will come back to its original position. Similarly, we can use the backward command for moving this KTurtle in a backward direction. BW, then space, how many steps you want this turtle to move in a backward direction, that many number you will write after 1 space. So BW space, and let's say I want this turtle to move 60 steps backward, so I will press 6 and 0 on the keyboard. So BW 1 space and then 60, and then I will run. See, this KTurtle will move 60 steps in a backward direction, and this KTurtle don't want to lose his energy, so it is not turning back. The head is in the forward direction only. He is not even moving his head. Okay. Again, I will reset this one, and I want this KTurtle at its original position. So I will type the command reset, R-E-S-E-T, reset, and then I will run it. So what I want to reset, only the backward 100 position I want to reset. So I will reset, then run speed. Then from here I will select the slowest. So it will run in a, it will move in a slow speed, at a slow speed, like this. Now next one we are going to learn is turn right command. This command will move the turtle's head to its right. Okay, so we'll write over here TR, that is a short form for turn right command. TR, then a space bar, 1 single space, and the number of degrees you want, how much it should turn to the right of itself. That many degrees we will be writing over there. That is numbers. Degree is a number. So let's say I want the turtle to move to its right at a degree of 90 degrees. Okay, so this turtle, as soon as I will run the program, this turtle will move to its right at 90 degrees. See, like this, right? Similarly, you can write any number of digits that you want. You can write 65, you can write 100, and whatever digit you will write, as such that turtle will move to its right. See, now we are moving forward 20 degrees, means this turtle will move to 20 degree in a forward, 20 steps in a forward direction. FW, one space and then 20. So in the right direction we have turned his head, and then we have moved 20 steps in forward direction. And then always by pressing F5 you can reset. Okay, reset, you can go to the run and then reset, as well as you can press F5 also and then you can reset it to the previous position. Another one is turn left command. For that you will press TL and one space bar. After that, the number of degrees that you want this turtle to move its head to the left side of itself. So you can press any number of digits. I am pressing here as 60. So this turtle will move 60 degrees to its left after pressing the run command F5. So like this, see, it is not totally in the left direction, only 60 degrees it has moved. If I have pressed 90, then total left to it. And then I want this turtle to move in forward direction 100 steps. And then I will run like this. So it has moved in a forward direction 100 steps. Got it, all of you? Okay children, so next is a practice time exercise. So let's try to do that. There are few commands that you need to type. Here Tina wants to draw a rectangle of breadth 40 steps and length 60 steps in KTurtle using turn right command, and for this you will be typing all these commands. And okay, let me put this step speed to the slowest so that we can see how does this KTurtle move. Okay, so one by one all these commands will be there. Forward 40, then turn right at 90 degree, forward 60, turn right at 90 degree, forward 40, turn right at 90 degree, and forward 60, then turn right at 90 degree, and then you will get the answer. Okay, see, run speed to the slowest so that we can see how this turtle moves. Yes, so at present it is at the center. Now forward to 40 steps, then turn right at 90 degree, this one, yes. After this, forward 60 steps. From here it will move 60 steps in a forward direction. Then turn right at 90 degree to the turtle's right at 90 degree. Then forward 40 steps. 40 steps it will move in a forward direction. Then again turn right at 90 degree, and then again forward 60 steps. So it will move 60 steps in a forward direction. A rectangle has formed, and then turn right at 90 degree. So it is back at its original position after forming a rectangle. So I hope these commands are clear to all. Today we have learned forward command, backward command, turn right command, turn left command, and up till the practice time exercise. Hope you have understood all and will try at your home. Try to do this practical at your home. Okay. We will go with further commands in our next class. That's all for today. Thank you.